I know how difficult it has been for you to search for the greatest and most practical approach to make money online. I've been there myself. It might be irritating when things don't work the way we want them to, but this is primarily why I'm here today, making videos on YouTube and attempting to assist anyone who wishes to earn money in the same way that I do. I understand being upset and having financial limits, but in today's video, all of that may change. If we put this up properly, I guarantee we'll be making good sums of money in no time. This method can be used by anyone, anywhere in the world, so your location will not be a barrier to implementing this new strategy. The more reasons there are to try it out, the better, and don't worry, I'll be here to help you along the way. Imagine being financially free of all money worries. You won't have to worry about paying your mortgages, tuition, or anything else that requires money. Now, if we follow the basic method I've laid out here today, you'll be one step closer to realizing your dream of financial freedom. This will be an easy way to make money online in 2021. I'll show you how to leverage the best and most effective platforms to make money quickly. Stay tuned and watch the video until the end if you're interested. Before we get into this brand new content, keep in mind that we release new ways to make money online on a daily basis. So make sure you finish watching the video and stay tuned whenever we release a new method so you can be the first and one of the first to try it out. Like and comment down below. It will help us with the YouTube algorithm and will reach a larger audience. Before I show you anything, please support my channel by giving this video a thumbs up below. And if you want to be notified whenever I upload a new video, click on that red subscribe button and switch on notifications and you'll be notified anytime I submit a new video. With that said, let's get right into the tutorial. Let's go to this secret tool of the day. It's a free platform that lets you sell designs online without having to talk and deal with anyone. You only need to create your design and upload it here. Furthermore, once you've uploaded all of your designs to the site, you'll be able to immediately print them on a selection of apparels, t-shirts, phone cases, stickers, and other goods. There are literally hundreds of styles to choose from, and your designs may be used to sell anything. They will of course assist you in selling your customized items on their website, but the catch is you won't be doing any of the designing yourself. That is why I said earlier that you won't need any technical skills for this, because we have another platform that can help us do that with little to no work at all, and this is also the reason why this method is one of the best ways in online money making today. Now let me show you a couple of sticker designs and how much these cost. As you can see here, these are the common prices for the stickers. Now these amounts may be small to the eye, but once a lot of people try and purchase, it will result in piles of online cash. Okay, let's go now to phone cases category. These are the designs that are currently trending right now on their website, and the prices range from these amounts. Imagine being able to sell just one phone case. That would be amazing already, but if you sell hundreds with your design, you're gonna be financially free in no time. Going back to the homepage, and before we proceed to the designing website, let's first figure out how we can sell our designs here, and we can do that with just one click of a button. Click on Sell Your Art right here, and then click on Start Selling. And to explain the basic concept of this platform and how we can make money off of this platform, first, we must create products or create our designs. Second, we're gonna set up our very own shop with the products that we have just designed. And lastly, we're gonna get paid by the platform. So, with the purchases that were made on your benefit, you will get the money instantly through your selected payment option. Now we have to sign up by clicking on this button here and providing the necessary details. Assuming that's done, you will then go on and upload your designs through the buttons provided as you can see. You just need to provide your design with a title, a couple of tags, and its description. This is the process if you already have designs yourself, but if you don't have any designs yet, I'm gonna show you a platform where we can get designs absolutely for free. If you guys are enjoying this video, please like and share it with your friends. Hit the red subscribe button and leave a comment down below. I'd really appreciate it if you guys liked it, subscribed, turned on the notification bell, and left a comment down below. If we receive 1,000 comments on this video stating, "I will receive money online," we'll post a terrific new video next week that might be even cooler than this, where you can get money doing simple things like this. So, if this video receives 2,000 likes, we'll release an incredible brand new video that might be even crazier than all of this. So, with that said, it's time to go back to work and earn some cash. Okay, moving on, let's go to Snappa.com. On this platform, you can create every design that you can imagine. Through this website, you'll be making money in our first website. In addition, this platform has a lot of done-for-you templates that you can use for your personalized designs, and the best part is, it's all for free. You won't pay a cent when you come on here and design something. Now, to proceed, let's click on this button right here to get started for free. This page will then prompt you to provide all the necessary details needed in order to successfully register your account. The information may include your name, personal email address, and password. After filling those up, just click on this box here and then you're good to go. Upon logging in, you will be redirected to their dashboard where you can create various designs that you can play around, but before we create a design, let us first determine the graphic size of what we're gonna make. By the way, over here there are social media post template sizes that you can use for the posts. This will give you the idea of what is the size that you're gonna post on your Facebook, Instagram, or LinkedIn post. Now, for the graphic size that will fit the specification of Redbubble, you'll just input 2200 on both of these boxes and then click on Create. After clicking, you're gonna be redirected to this workspace where you can design anything that you can imagine. From there, you can choose from a variety of backgrounds, effects, graphics, and shapes. Not to mention that you can also add in text to your designs. You can literally do anything to your design with no effort at all. You can just drag and drop anything on your preferred design. Now, after you're able to finish your work, you can then download it on your personal computer and then upload it on redbubble.com. And yes, this is the URL of today's secret tool. After uploading, you just need to provide the title of the piece you made, add in a couple of tags, and a short description of the design. Upon accomplishing that, you'll see in the items below that it has already been reflected in them. Check that out. Instant pasting of your designs on their products, but for each design, you will have to choose on what items you will want the design to be on. After that, on media, you can select up to 2 tags. For this example, let's select design and illustration and digital art. Next, make sure to set this drop down to optimized and tick on anybody, public on the who can view this work section. Now, for this section, just click on no, and for the last part, just click on this box agreeing to their terms and just click on save work. After that, you will need to complete your payment details to open up your personal Redbubble shop. So since we're done with the design and it's uploading, let's now focus on broadcasting your store. Now, this is where our third platform comes into play. Let's go to Parler.com for this. Parler is the same as Facebook. It is also a social media outlet where you get to meet people with your same interests. This is just an up-and-coming website, but we have a lot of people already trying out this platform. Now, to proceed, let us register you an account, and to do that, let's click here. After clicking that, you just have to provide the necessary details, and then you will have your own account in an instant. I also forgot to mention that this platform is also like Quora, where you can search for different kinds of posts in line with a niche that you prefer. On those posts, you can then just post your store link, and then many people will be swarming to your store with orders. Also, make sure to include a lot of hashtags to your posts that are related to your niche so that a wide variety of networks and people can see it. Overall, this is really good for beginners to make money off of. I mean, you're just gonna post done-for-you designs from Snappa on Redbubble, broadcast it in Parler, and I'm pretty sure it's gonna result in instant online cash. Alright, well that wraps up today's tutorial. If you made it until the end of this video, just know that you'll start making money if you decided to step up. Don't let your emotions control you. Get up and start following whatever I showed you in this video. This is the end of the video. If you did make it to the end, I really do appreciate it. Thank you so much for staying with us. Make sure to check out the previous videos on our channel. We upload every single day, and all you gotta do, just like to my channel, turn on the notification bell, like this video, share this video with a friend, and leave a comment down below. Before you leave, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, turn on notifications, and like this video. If you want to see more money-making videos, click on the next video as shown on the screen following this tutorial. Okay, until next time, we'll see you in the next video.